basic operation rules. Basic operations rules on lower and upper bands. On lower and upper bands. Now, we are going to use a table to describe the rules. The first column, serial number. The next one, we have the operation. Then mathematical expression. Mathematical expression. Expression. The next column, we have the lower band. The lower band. Then the last column, upper band. Now the first one, the first operation is addition. Addition. We can have a mathematical expression of the form V1 plus V2. That is first value plus second value. Now the lower band is going to be lower band of V1 then plus lower band of V2. Now what will be the upper band? The upper band, that is upper band of V1 plus upper band of V2. That's for addition. Now we look at subtraction. That's the next operation. Subtraction. Subtraction. Now we can have V1 minus V2. That is first value minus second value. Now for that of subtraction is different from addition. Please take note. Lower band of the first value, that is V1, then minus upper band of second value, which is V2. That is for subtraction. We also have for the upper band of subtraction, that is upper band of V1, then minus lower band of V2. That's for subtraction. The next operation is multiplication. Multiplication. Now we can have first value multiplied by what? Second value. That is V1 times V2. What is going to be the lower band? That is lower band of V1 times lower band of V2. And for the upper band, we have upper band of V1 times upper band of V2. That's for multiplication. Number 4. That's division now. Division. We can have a mathematical expression of the form V1 divided by V2, which is the same thing as V1 over V2 also. Now, for this, we have the lower band of V1, then divided by upper band of V2. Also for the upper band, we have upper band of V1, then divided by what? Lower band of V2. So this table describes the rules we need to consider while solving problems on basic operations dealing with lower and upper bands. Thank you.